On what principle does digital computer work? Calculation. Physical structure of a computer is called hardware. Controlling part of the computer is called CPU. Microsoft is a software company. Beside Bill Gates, who is the co-founder of Microsoft? Paul Allen. Who is the father of email? Roy Tomlinson. First computerized post office in India. New Delhi. Main system board of computer means motherboard. What is the full form of ASCII code? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What is the layer on IC? Silicon.